Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and tonight I'm going to try and build a chicken roost. So what that's going to look like is these two 10-foot PVCs, and then I'm going to put on a 90 degrees on both ends, and then go down with some feet. 90 degrees on the other side, go down with the foot. Not sure exactly where I'm going to put this yet, but those are going to get tied in here, and then 1.5 inches between them will sort of tie it together, so keep it parallel, keep the feet upright, I guess maybe is the way to put it. These are more feet, so these are going to point in the same direction as the 90s on the end. Another set of PVC here to tie left and right together, and more legs in the end. So that's the plan and the layout. Why PVC, you were just asking. I appreciate the question. Wood tends to get splinters somewhere along the way, and splinters lead to bumblefoot in chickens. So our idea is the PVC. We have the chickens roosting on PVC because we used it for watering pipes with nipples underneath, and then so they would fly up and roost on top of that. So it seems like it works, you know. My concern is maybe it's too slick or whatever, but mostly, as long as this thing isn't moving around a lot, it seems like they could do a little hop fly up on top of it and then stay up there and balance and do their thing. So we'll see. Maybe we need to take at some point a heavy sandpaper, like a 60 grit, and rough the top up a little bit so they can get a little better traction. I don't know. So we're going to build it that way. I'm going to build it kind of short. I was thinking of 24-inch legs, but I might go 20. Keep it down by the ground. That way their little hop up doesn't take quite so much accuracy. Maybe they can land on it a little better and not slip off or whatever. So anyways, this is what I'm going to build. I think you know how to run a chop saw and to do PVC cement. So I'm not sure there's going to be another how-to or anything between here and the final product, but I do want to show you that when I get done. So let me get to it. We'll start chopping and building here. All right, this is kind of the wrap-up segment of building the perching project. Might have wasted a bunch of money on PVC and glue, but there's the end of the project. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And the chickens are going to move in here kind of for logistical reasons in the next 2 weeks. So we'll see how they're doing before January gets here. Weather's outside's been really nice. And a little look inside with our plastic up here. That's the view you get. And hopefully that will keep them nice and toasty. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more projects. We're always doing something.